Can we make lemons out of this spring garland? I think we can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this garland on sale at Michael's, and it's got all these eggs on it. But you know what? We're going to make these eggs into lemons. So I have some Dixie Belle paint. I got it from Inspired Creations. Thank you, Paula. And I'm using a dauber. And so what you have to do, yes, it's a little contortionist, but that's okay. I just isolate the egg. Okay, so we're going to just move everything else around it, and I'm just dabbing on the paint, and I'm going all over the egg. Now, I know this seems like way more work than is worth it, but it's super cute. And to be clear, I had gotten this in a box, one of those mystery boxes for like $10 at Michael's, and so this was one of the things in it. Well, listen, friends, I don't want to go to waste, so we're going to try to see if we can use it and, repurpose it a little bit. So that's what we're doing. So that's why, if you're curious. So you'll see here, I'm continuing to just dab, dab, dab all over it. The Dixie Belle paint covers it beautifully. The color on the Dixie Belle paint is Daisy, if I'm not mistaken. And the dauber works like a dream, because now not only do you get no brush strokes, but you also get a little texture with that paint, so it looks very lemony. Just saying. Anyway, so keep doing that all over it. And I think I cut mine down because I used mine for a project, but I think there was no more than like 10 of these eggs. I think I did 8 total because it fit my pizza pan sign, which you'll see the end of this. At the end of this, I'll show you a picture of what we did with it. But just go all the way around. Now, what I did do, this is what you have to do. Once you get done doing this, I used my heat gun very mindfully though, because it will melt this, so you have to keep it far away, but I did dry it. You could use like just a hair dryer on very low heat or whatever, or you could just stand there, or you could set it somewhere while it dries. But in order for me to do all of them, I had to do that. Now I have these little fake leaves I had gotten, and I think it was like a rose kind of arrangement that I had gotten, also on clearance, and I cut it down. And then see how we have that little stem? All we're gonna do is start adding these leaves. Like, stop it already. Do you see it? Oh, I'm so excited. So one way I did it was I added the glue to the stem, to the garland stem, and then added the leaf to that. It was a little bit more successful. I mean, it worked, don't get me wrong, but you had to hold it there. I found that it worked a little bit better if I actually put it on the fake leaf itself, and then I added that to it, to another stem. And I did this all the way around for all of the lemons. You do have to hold it. You do have to hold the leaf there just so that it adheres and the hot glue has a chance to dry. The other thing is I do a very small layer of hot glue. Don't go crazy with it. Then I take a brown Sharpie. You could probably use even a Crayola marker and just put some little dots of it so it looks like a little texture of a lemon. I am there for it. And this is the pizza pan that I told you about how I did. Look at how cute this is. Are you kidding? They look like lemons to me. All right, some of you are going to say they don't. That's fine, but I think they do. Look at how cute it is. And stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'm going to post this, how I did the pizza pan. So, yay! All right, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.